mean sectional area method, we need to calculate the volume of earthwork having formation width 7.5 meter and side slope 1:1 using mean sectional area method. The details of road are given below. The chainage in meter are 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270 and 300. The ground level and formation level at each station are also given. In mean sectional area method, we first find out the average area and then multiply that average area by the length to find out the volume of earthwork in cutting or filling. The first step to find out the depth is find out by the difference of formation level and ground level. The formation level and ground level are given in the question. So for the first station, the ground level is 10.55 and formation level is 10. So the difference of formation level and ground level is 10 minus 10.55, which is minus 0.55. Then depth at 30 meter, 10 minus 10.50 minus 0.50, then 10 minus 10.40 is minus 0.40, then 10 minus 10.35 is minus 0.35, minus 0.20, 10 minus 10 is 0, then 10 minus 9.80 is 0.20, 10 minus 9.65, 10 minus 9.60, 10 minus 9.40 and 10 minus 9.20, which is 0.8. The negative sign implies cutting and the positive signs implies filling. When the ground level is above the formation level, we need to cut, and when the ground level is below the formation level, we need to find out the volume of earthwork for filling. Earthwork calculation by mean sectional area method. Formation width is 7.5 meter and side slope is 1:1, so value of S is 1. Now to calculate the earthwork by mean sectional area method, we need to make a table in which the different columns are shown. The chainage, depth, area of mid portion, area of side parts, total area, mean area, then distance between 2 points, and the last column represent volume of earthwork. So first we write down the values of all the chainage or all the stations which are given in the questions. Then the depth which we calculate. So in this table we have to write only numeric value. So the depth are 0.55, 0.50, 0.4, 0.35, 0.20, 0, 0.20, 0.35, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. The third column, the area of mid portion, which is B times of H, where B is formation width and H is the depth. So 7.5 times 0.55 is 4.13. Then 0.50 times 7.5 is 3.75. 0.4 times 7.5, 3. 0.35 times 7.5, 2.63. 0.2 times 7.5 is 1.5. 0 times 7.5 is 0. 0.2 times 7.5 is 1.50. 0.35 times 7.5, 2.63. 0.4 times 7.5 is 3. 0.6 times 7.5 is 4.5 and 0.8 times 7.5 is 6. After finding the area of mid portion, we need to calculate the area of side parts, which is SH square, where the value of S is 1 and the value of H are in the column 2. So we need to square these values and multiply the values with S, that is 1. So on doing so, we get the area of side part for station first is 0.30, then 0.25, 0.16, 0.12, 0.04, 0, 0.04, 0.12, 0.16, 0.36 and 0.64. Now the total area is sum of these two area, that is area of mid portion plus area of side parts. So total area is 4.13 plus 0.3 gives 4.43. 3.75 plus 0.25 is 4. 3.16, 2.63 plus 0.2 is 2.75. 1.50 plus 0.04 is 1.54. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 1.54, 2.75. 3 plus 0.6 is 0.16 is 3.16. 4.5 plus 0.36 is 4.86, and at last station 6 plus 0.64, that is 6.64. Now we need to calculate the mean area. The mean area is the sum of two area divided by 2, the average of two areas. It is 4.43 plus 4 divided by 2. So the mean area between station 0 and 30 is 4.21. Then the mean area between 30 meter and 60 meter is 3.58, and so on. We calculate all the mean area for different stations, which are 2.95, 2.14, 0.77, 0.77, 2.14, 2.75 plus 3.16 divided by 2 is 2.95, 4.01 and 5.75. Now the distance between 2 points. So the difference between 2 points in each case is 30. So writing the value of distance between 2 points, that is 30. Now the volume of earthwork. So from the depth calculation it can be concluded that up to 150 meters we have to calculate the volume of earthwork for cutting, and from 150 meter to 300 meter we have to calculate the volume of earthwork for filling. So up to 150 meter we write the values in cutting column, and from 150 to 300 meter we write the values of volume of earthwork in filling column. Now the volume of earthwork for 0 to 30 meter is 4.21 times 30. 4.21 multiplied by 30, it gives 126.4125. Then 3.58 multiplied by 30 is 107.4. 2.95 multiplied by 30 is 88.6125. 2.14 times 30 is 64.3125, and 0.77 into 30 is 23.1. Now from 150 meter to 300 meter we need to calculate the volume of earthwork for filling. So we write the values of earthwork in filling column. So the first value is 0.77 times 30 is 23.1. Then 2.14 times 30 is 64.3125. 2.95 times 30 is 88.6125. 4.01 times 30 is 120.3, and 5.75 times 30 is 172. Now the total volume of earthwork for cutting and filling. Sum up all this value, we get the volume of earthwork for cutting, and on adding this value we get the volume of earthwork for filling. So the volume of earthwork for cutting is 409.8375 cubic meter, and volume of earthwork for filling is 468.83 cubic meter. Thank you.